Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be exploring Slack and how to use it for work. Let's get started. Slack is a cloud-based collaboration platform that improves communication and teamwork within organizations. It offers features like messaging, file sharing, tool integrations, and customizable channels to organize discussions by topic. Step 1. Creating a Slack account. To get started, open any browser and search for Slack. Click the first link to visit the Slack website. You can sign up with either Sharp email or Google. Once verified, click Confirm and you'll be logged into Slack. Step 2. Setting up your workspace. After logging in, click on Create a Workspace. Name your workspace, e.g. your company or team name, and click Next. Add your name, profile photo, and other details, then click Next again. Step 3. Adding members. To add team members, enter their email addresses and they'll be added to the workspace. This allows everyone to collaborate and share files. Step 4. Joining channels and collaborating. With your workspace setup, you can now create or join channels based on different projects or topics. Use channels to organize discussions or send direct messages for private communication. Conclusion? And that's it. Now you're ready to start using Slack for efficient team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.